Are you new to Instagram or are you just getting started? Then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram from start. I've got other videos on YouTube related to Instagram, so please check those out as well. To get started, let's download the app from Google Play Store if you're on Android phone or App Store if you're using iPhone. So go to your App Store and search for Instagram. As some of you might know, Instagram was launched in 2010 for iOS and 2012 for Android phones. It was then later bought out by Facebook. Fun fact, 500 million users are active on Instagram daily. Once downloaded and installed, tap on Open and Instagram app will open up. Next, you'll need to create an Instagram account. Tap on Sign up with email address or phone number. Instagram will allow you to register with your phone number or your email address. We'll use the email address, so type in your email address. Press Next, then Instagram will send you a confirmation code in your email which you need to retrieve and type it in the app. Once you've done that, press Next. Now Instagram will ask you for your name and a password to secure your account. Enter your name and your password, then tap Continue without syncing contacts. Now Instagram will ask you to enter your date of birth. Instagram requires everyone to be 13 or over to be able to use it. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. Instagram will show you a welcome message and then you need to press Next again. In the next screen, since Instagram is owned by Facebook, it'll ask you if you want to find Facebook friends to follow from your Facebook. You can press follow, but in this example, I'll press skip. In the next page, Instagram will ask you to add a profile photo. Press the add a photo button and it'll give you some options. You can select it from Facebook, take a photo using your camera, or choose from your photo library. I'll go ahead and take a new photo. Allow all the prompts from Instagram to use your camera and have access to your photo gallery. Take a picture and confirm once you're happy. Instagram will then crop your photo in a circle shape, so move your photo around to get the best composition. Once you're happy, press the right arrow at the top right of the page and then press Next again. In the next screen, Instagram will ask you to add your phone number to the account. You can go ahead and add it, but in this tutorial, I'll press skip again. Now your account has been made, so Instagram will then give you a list of users you can follow as per their suggestions. You can press follow on the users, or you can skip that part and press the right arrow at the top right of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully created an account for Instagram. Now let me explain you the layout of the app so you know how to navigate through Instagram. The home symbol is your Instagram feed. This is where you'll see your post and others who follow you. The magnifying glass is your search and explore tab, where you'll be able to find users and follow them. The plus sign is your camera tab, where you can post photos and videos. The heart symbol is your activity status, where it tells you who is following you and who have commented or liked your post. Lastly, your profile photo leads to your profile page on Instagram. At the top left, you have your camera icon, which lets you post Instagram stories. Instagram stories let Instagram users post photos and videos that vanish after 24 hours. On the top right of the page, you'll see a TV icon, which is the IGTV video, which is an extension of Instagram that allows you to add video longer than 60 seconds. Next to IGTV video icon is the paper airplane icon, which is for direct message. You'll be able to directly message other Instagram users through this. Now that you have your account, let's find some people to follow. Tap on the magnifying glass, which is a search and explore tab. Type in a username you want to follow, and once you have the profile, tap on it and then tap on follow. The other way of following other Instagram users is by scrolling through the feed and see what interests you. Once you find something interesting, then tap on the post and then tap on follow. You can also comment and like other people's posts. To comment, you need to first tap on their post and then tap on the speech bubble underneath the post. Enter a comment and click on Post. To like their post, you can double tap on the post itself, or you can press the heart symbol just underneath the post. Now I'll show you how to post your own photo or video on your Instagram account. Tap on the plus symbol at the bottom and Instagram will give you three options. Post from your phone gallery, take a photo using your camera, or take a video using your camera. When you select photo, you'll be able to take photos using your front and back camera. To switch your camera, you need to press the icon on the left hand side. To enable flash while taking a photo, you need to press the flash icon at the right hand side. In this video, I'll take a photo from my phone gallery and press next. Now in this screen, you'll be able to apply various Instagram filters. Or you can press edit to edit the photo as per your preference. You can change the rotation, brightness, contrast, color and other settings of the photo. Now in the next screen, Instagram will allow you to add captions to your post. Add your captions describing the photo or video. You'll be able to tag other people in your post, add locations of your post, and also share your post on different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Once you're done, press share and your post will be shared to your Instagram feed. Now you must be wondering why I added #nature next to my caption when I was posting a photo on Instagram. Hashtag is a word or a phrase used on social media posts to connect to a specific topic. This can be added to your caption in an Instagram post. So if you're posting a photo of your garden, you can use #nature to associate nature topics with your post. Other users on Instagram can search for this tag and Instagram will push your post out to them. This way you'll be able to engage with other Instagram users and get more followers or people to view your post. Since you're now posting photos and videos, you will now have followers following your account. In order to check this activity, press the heart symbol at the bottom of the page. Here you have the activity page which shows you which Instagram users have followed you, commented on your post, and liked your post. Really good feature to judge how well your Instagram posts are doing. Are people interested or are they just scrolling past? Now the last tab is your profile page, which can be found at the bottom right of your screen. Here you'll be able to see all your posts which you have posted. You can edit your profile to add more details to it. You can see total number of posts, how many followers and how many you are following. If you tap on the three lines at the top right, you'll be able to access different features of Instagram. First one is archive, which allows you to archive your stories or posts to save them for memories. Then you have activity, which shows you how much time you have spent on Instagram. The next feature is name tag, which allows other Instagram users to follow you in person by scanning this name tag. The fourth one is saved feature, which allows you to save other Instagram posts. The fifth one is close friends, where Instagram will look at your contacts on your phone or Facebook and list the users there. You'll be able to add users from this list as well. And the last option is discover people, where Instagram will give you suggestions on people to follow based on your following. At the bottom of the list, you have settings, where there are many different settings you can configure in regard to privacy, security, notifications, and accounts. For example, you can switch your Instagram from private to public, but that is a topic for another video. Instagram is a very popular app which connects millions of users together. So if you want to learn more about Instagram, keep following this channel. I will have videos on how to post stories or how to DM Instagram users. You can also make money by using Instagram by running ads or being sponsored by companies to promote their product. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another Instagram update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.